Hi friends, IBPS SO prelims paper number 47 explanation quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 101 onwards. The speed of the boat in still water is 7 times of the speed of the current. Speed of the boat in still water is 7 times of the speed of the current. Means they are in the ratio of 7 is to 1. It takes 1.33 hours to row to a point B from point A and back to point A from point B. Means to row from A to B, again B to A, total time given as 1.33 hours. If the distance between point A and point B given as 13.68 kilometers, what is the speed of the current? Speed of the current means S value, nothing but one part is how much. So to cover 13.68 kilometers upstream, M minus S, and to cover the same distance 13.68 kilometers downstream, it takes a total time of 1.33 hours. Already we know that M belongs to 7 parts, S belongs to 1 part. 7 minus 1, 6 parts. 13.68 by 6 parts plus M plus S. 7 plus 1, 8 parts. 13.68 by 8 parts. They given as 1.33. 6 2s are 12, 26. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12, 16. 6 2s are 12, remaining 16. Again 6 2s are 12. 48 means 6 8s are. 8 1s are 8, 56. 8 7s are 8 1s are. 2.28 plus 1.71 together 3.99 by 1 part is equal to 1.33. 1.33 exactly 3 times. So 1 part value 3. So 1 part nothing but speed of the current S. 1 part answer is 3 kilometers per hour. Next question. After 18 years, Sweta's age will be same as Pratima's age present age. Sweta's age after 18 years will be same as Pratama's present age. From this we can write down Pratima and Sweta have a difference of 18 years. Pratima and Sweta have a difference of 18 years. The respective ratio between Sweta's age after 18 years and Pratama's age after 18 years is 3 is to 4. After 18 years, Preta and Smeta, Sweta and Pratama. Sweta and Pratama. Ratio given as 3 is to 4. Sweta 3 parts, Pratama 4 parts. Difference is 1 part. That 1 part value we know that 18 years. 1 part value 18 years means 4 parts value 4 18s are 72. 3 18s are 54 years. Sweta's age is 54 years after 18 years. After 18 years, Sweta 54, then present Sweta 36. Present Sweta 36. What was Arti's age 12 years ago if Arti is 9 years older to Sweta? So present Sweta 36. Arti is 9 years older to Sweta. 36 plus 9, 45 is the present age of Arti. Asked to calculate Arti's age 12 years ago. So 12 years ago means 45 minus 12. 33 years is your answer. Next. In an organization, 28% of the total employees are management graduates. Two-thirds of the remaining employees are engineering graduates. And the rest of the 2076 employees are undergraduates. What is the total number of employees in the organization? 28% of the total employees are management. 28% of the total employees are management. Two-thirds of the remaining employees are engineering graduates. Out of 100, already 28 is over. Remaining 72. In that 72, two-thirds. 324 times, so 48% is over. So 28 plus 46 together means 76% gone. The remaining 24% value they given us 2076. Asked to calculate total number of employees. 100% is how much? 100% value is how much? 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18. 27 means 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36. 4 8s are 32. 26 4 6 are 24.5. Then 100% value 8650 is your answer. 8650 is your answer. Next. A started a business with an investment of 28,000. After 4 months, B joins with 20,000. And after another 2 months, C joins with 40,000. At the end of 12 months, C received 5,175 as his share. Then what is the total profit? If you observe, in all the investment, commonly 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. A started with 28 rupees, B started with 20 rupees, C started with 40 rupees. A is there from beginning to ending, complete 12 months A is there. B joined after 4 months, means remaining 8 months only B is there. After another 2 more months C joins. 4 months B joined, again 2 more months C joined. Total after 6 months only C joined. Remaining 6 months C is there. Remaining 6 months C is there. 4 10 times, 4 5 times, 4 7 times, 2 3 times, 2 4 times, 2 6 times, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. 21 is to 10 is to 15. 21 is to 10 is to 15. Profit ratio. Share of C given as 5,175. C means 15 parts value given as 5,175. From there, 1 part value 15 3s are 45, remaining 67. 15 4s are 60, remaining 75. 15 5s are. 1 part value 345. Total profit means 21 plus 10 plus 15. 21 plus 10 31. 31 plus 15 46 parts is how much? 46 into 345. 46 5 times 230 carry 23 write down 0. 46 4 times 184. 184 plus 23 207 carry 20 write down 7. 46 3s are 138 plus 20 158. 15,870 is your answer. Data sufficiency. What is the 2-digit number? What is the 2-digit number? The sum of the 2 digits is 10. See, generally the format of a 2-digit number is 10x plus y. The format of a 2-digit number is 10x plus y, where x comma y are nothing but digits of 2-digit number. First statement, the sum of the 2 digits given as 10 x plus y is equal to 10. If 18 is subtracted from the number, its digits are interchanged. So the number is 10x plus y. If 18 is subtracted, then the digits are reversed, means it became 10y plus x. 10x minus x means 9x. Y minus 10y means minus 9y is equal to 18. From this, x minus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2 means x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. The number 10x plus y. 10 6 are 60 plus 4. 64 is the 2-digit number. First statement alone we can say the answer. The product of the 2 digits of the number is 24. Product is 24 means it might be 38, 3 8s are 24, 83, 8 3s are 24, 46, 4 6 are 24, 64. So we can't say with second statement alone. Only one is enough to get the answer. What is the speed of the river current? Means S value is how much? The speed of the boat in still water is 8 kilometers per hour. M is equal to 8 kmph, but they are asked to calculate S is how much. With first statement, it's not possible to get the answer. The total time taken by the boat to travel from A to B and again come back to starting point is 768 minutes. To travel from A to B upstream, M minus S, again come back to the starting point means B to A in downstream, M plus S, they given us 768 minutes. If you substitute M value in second equation, even though I don't know what is the distance between A to B, so it is not possible to get S value. Neither one nor two is your answer. Next. Sorry. In a group of 300 boys, each one likes one or more of the following sports: cricket, football, and tennis. How many boys likes only tennis? Cricket, football, tennis. How many boys likes only tennis? Means this part is how much? 22% of the boys likes only cricket. Only cricket, 22%. 54% of the boys likes football. Entire football, 54%. Entire football circle is 54%. And 8% of the boys likes only cricket and tennis. Only cricket and tennis means this is 8%. See, entire football I am having 54%. Only cricket 22, cricket and tennis 8%. 22 plus 8, 30. 30 plus 54, 84% is there. So only tennis is 16% of the boys, 16% of 300. 48 is your answer. First statement alone we can say the answer. Second statement, cricket, football, tennis. From second statement, 50% of the boys likes cricket. Entire cricket circle 50%. Whole cricket circle 50%. 48% of the boys likes more than one of the three given sports. More than one of the three given sports means 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This common part they given as 48%. This common part they given as 48%. 14% of the people's boys likes only football. Only football 14%. Only football 14%. This only tennis is how much we need to calculate. So entire cricket is 50%. Entire cricket is 50%. In that 50, this common part is how much we don't know. Entire cricket is 50%. Again, 48% of the boys likes one more than one of the three given sports. So this is 48%. These three values indicates 48%. 48%. So if you think it as X and these three values together 48 minus X. These three values together 48 minus X. And this is 50% means 50% minus 48% minus X. Two unknown variables. With second statement it's not possible. Only one alone we can say the answer. Second one. So next one. How much time will it take to fill the tank completely if two inlet pipes A and B are opened simultaneously and the tank has a leakage that empties the fully filled tank in 80 hours when no inlet pipes are opened? Okay, only leakage capacity we know, A and B we don't know. First statement, pipe A alone fills the tank in 24 hours and pipe B fills the tank faster than pipe A by 20%. So first alone we can say the answer. Had there been no leakage, pipes A and B together could have been filled the tank in 10 by 11 hours. Second also we can say the answer. Either 1 or 2. What is the cost of painting two adjacent walls of a rectangular hall having no windows or doors at the rate of 18,807 rupees per meter square? So having two adjacent walls, painting two adjacent walls. This one. So you should aware of length breadth, height. If you know these three variables, then only we can say the answer. Length of the hall is 1.5 times of its breadth, and the area of the bigger wall is 42 meters square more than the area of the smaller wall. Area of the smaller wall. Sum of the length and breadth of the hall given as 35 meters. Sum of the length and breadth of the hall given as 35 meters. So if you observe here, in 1 and 2 statements, both the statements you just aware of length, breadth only, but there is no height given. If you want to consider the two adjacent walls, so one of a hall length became breadth, height nothing but breadth. Height became breadth. I don't know what is the height here, so it's not possible to get the answer. Next, percentage of graduate employees in 7 companies A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Total number of graduate employees in all the companies together is 54,200. All the companies together is 54,200. Percentage of postgraduate employees in 7 companies. Total number of postgraduate employees in all the companies together is 26,200. First statement. What is the respective ratio between number of graduate employees in company C? Company C graduates are 14% of 54,200. Ratio means is to. And the number of postgraduate employees in company D. Company D postgraduate employees are 14% of 26,200. 14% of 26,200. 14%, 14% gets cancelled. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 271 is to 131. 271 is to 131. First option is your answer. Next. The number of postgraduate employees in company E is approximately what percentage of the number of graduate employees in company F? Postgraduate employees in company E. Company E postgraduate employees are 11%. 10% value 2,620. 1% value 262. 2,620 plus 262. 2,620 plus 262. 2,882. Postgraduate employees in company E is what percentage of number of graduate employees in company F? Company F graduate employees are 12%. 10% value 5,420. 10% value 5,420. 1% 542. 2% 1,084. Then total 12% value 6,504. So 2,882 is what percent of 6,504? Approximately 44% is your answer. Numerator is 11 multiple. So your answer also 11 multiple approximately 44% is your answer. What is the difference between a number of graduate and postgraduate employees in company A? Company A graduate employees are how much percent? Company A graduate employees are 18%. As 1% value 542, 18% means 18 into 542. Then postgraduate in 20%, 1% value 262, 20% means 20 into 262. Difference ends with 6. Answer ends with 6. Two options are there, so definitely you need to solve it. 3 6 72 plus 3 75 90 plus 7 97. 0 2 2s are 4 2 6 are 12 1 2 5 2 4 6 6 1 5 4 5 1 6 is your answer. Second option is your answer. How many postgraduate employees are there in company Z? Company Z stands for postgraduate 17%. As 1% value 262. 17% means 17 into 262. Answer ends with 4. Two options are there. 17 2s are 34. 3 4. 17 6 are 102 plus 3 105. 10 no 5. Answer ends with 54. First option. Sorry, two options are there. 34 plus 10 44. 4454. Next. The number of graduate employees in company C is what percentage of total number of employees in all the companies together? Graduate employees in company C, 14% is 1% value 542. 14% value means 14 into 542. 14 2s are 28, 28. 14 4s are 56 plus 2, 58, 58. 70 plus 5, 75. These are the graduate employees in company C, 7588. Is what percentage of total number of employees in all the companies together, both graduates and non-graduates? 54,000 plus 26,000 means 80,000. 200, 200, 400, 80,400. So in denominator 10% value 8,040. Answer is below 10%. So below 10%. 9% value 720 something. So approximately 9% is your answer. Approximately 9% is your answer. Number of graduate employees in company D is approximately what percentage of total number of graduate and postgraduate employees in this company, in the same company? Company D graduate employees are 10% means 5,420. So total number of graduate plus postgraduate 5,420 plus 14% postgraduate. So 10% to 2,620 or else 14 into 262. Postgraduate 28. 14 6 are 84 plus 2 86. 86. 28 plus 8 36. 3,668. What percentage means into 100? 5,420 by 54 36 90 20 plus 68 88 9,088 into 100. Approximately 60%. 6 9s are 54, approximately 60%. Next, 116. A tank has 3 inlets P, Q and R, which takes 1 4 by 5 hours to fill the tank when they are opened simultaneously. P, Q, R together can fill the tank in 1 4 by 5 hours when they are opened simultaneously. R alone takes thrice the time taken by Q to fill the tank alone. P alone takes half the time taken by Q to fill the tank alone. Suppose if Q will take 2x hours, P will take half the time means x hours. R will take thrice the time means 3x hours. How much time will R alone take to fill the tank independently? 1 hour work of P 1 by x, Q 1 by 2x, 1 by 6x. Why? Because R is 3 times of Q. R alone takes thrice the time taken by Q. 3 times of 2 means 6x is equal to 5 ones are 9 by 5 is the total work. 1 hour work means 5 by 9. LCM 6x. 6 plus 2 plus 1. Sorry, 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 9. 5 2 times 6x is equal to 18. X is equal to 3 hours. Or 6x 18 hours is your answer. Next, in his show, spectators were charged 40 rupees on the first day, 60 rupees on the second day, 70 rupees on the third day. The number of spectators attending the show in 3 days was in the ratio of 4:5:6. If the total amount collected by selling all the tickets in 3 days was 26,400, what was the total number of spectators? What was the total number of spectators? 3 days number of spectators are in the ratio of 4:5:6. So let's imagine first day only 4 members went, second day 5 members went, third day 6 members went. First day cost given as 40 rupees. Each man 40 rupees, 4 members 440s are 160 rupees. Second day cost given as 60 rupees. Each one 60 rupees, 5 members 560s are 300 rupees. And third day cost given as 70 rupees. Each person 70 rupees. 6 persons 670s are 420 rupees. 300, 400, 700, 800, 60 plus 20, 880. If the amount is 880 rupees, then in 3 days, total number of spectators are 15 spectators. 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15 spectators. If the amount is 880 rupees, number of spectators are 15. But here amount is 26,400 rupees. Then how many spectators are there? 880 30 times 26,400. 15 30 times 450 spectators are here. Number of spectators are 450. Fourth option is your answer. In a class of 52 students, the average weight of girls is equal to the average weight of boys. Average weight of girls is equal to the average weight of boys. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, 4 more than the number of boys. Total 52 students are there. 52 minus 4, 48. Half of 48 means 24 boys, 28 girls. Total 52. Total weight of the class is 2522 kg. What is the total weight of the girls? See, total weight of the boys means 20. See, each boy average given as X. Let's imagine each boy average is X. Then girl average also X. Girl average also X. Why? Because girl average, boys average both are same. Then boys total 24X. Girls total also 28X. Entire class total given as 2522. 24 plus 28. 52x is equal to 2522. What is the girls total means 28x is equal to how much? 28x by 52x into 2522. X gets cancelled. 4 7 times 4 13 times 4 7 times 4 13 times 13 ones are 13 13 ones are 13 remaining 122. 13 nines are 117 52. 13 fours are 52. 7 fours are 28 28. 63 plus 2 65 65. 1358 is your answer. Total weight of the girls is 1358. Next, there are 5 red balls, 3 green balls, 7 yellow balls in a box. 5 plus 3 plus 7, 15 balls are there. 15 balls are there. 2 balls are drawn at randomly. What is the probability that they are of same color? Out of 15 balls, 2 balls are drawn means sample size is 15C2. They are of same color means it might be both are red or both are green or both are yellow. So both are red means 5C2 or both are green means 3C2 or both are yellow means 7C2. 5C2 value 10, 3C2 value 3, 7C2 value 21, 15C2 value 105. 34 by 105 is your answer. 34 by 105 is your answer. Next. If 2 balls are drawn randomly, what is the probability that none of the balls drawn is yellow? Out of 15 balls, 2 balls are drawn means sample size is 15C2. None of the ball is yellow except yellow balls. From the remaining we need to draw. Remaining 5 plus 3, 8 balls. Out of 8 we need to draw 2 balls. 8 into 7 by 15 into 14. 7 2 times, 2 4 times. So your answer is 4 by 15. 4 by 15. Next. 3 balls are drawn at randomly. What is the probability that each ball is of different color? Out of 15 balls, 3 balls are drawn means sample size is 15C3. Each ball is of different color. Different color means one red, one green, one yellow. One red, one green, one yellow. One red means 5C1. One green means 3C1. One yellow means 7C1. 5 into 3 into 7 divided by 15, 14, 13 by 3 to 1. 3 5s are 15, 5 5 gets cancelled. 2 7s are 14, 7 7 gets cancelled. 3 by 13 is your answer. Number of 3 types of books published by 7 publishers. Fiction, novel, biography. Actually, the value lines are missing here. 0 to 100, the lines are missing here. So this table represents the exact values of the diagram. So look at the question here. Total number of biography novels published by publishers PST together. Biography books published by publishers PST. PST biography 440, S 320, 240. 320, 240, 560. 560, 440 means 1000 is what percent lesser than the total number of fiction books published by publishers QTU together. QTU. Q 600, T 840, this one 320. 840, 320, 1160. 1160 plus 600, 1760. Percentage less, they are asked to calculate. Difference by more value. 760 by 1760 into 100. 419 times. 444 times. 411 za, 425 za. 475 by 11. 1925 times means 475 by 11. 11 4 ja 44. Remaining 35. 11 3 ja 33. 43 2 by 11%. 43 2 by 11%. Next. What is the ratio between total number of 3 types of books published by publishers R and V respectively? R 3 types. 280, 200, 480, 440, 920. 480, 440, 920. Next, V. 400, 800, 1200, 560, 1760. 0, 0 get cancelled. 423 times, 444 times. 23 is to 44. First option is your answer. If the average price of a novel is more than the average price of a biography by 40%, what is the respective ratio between the total price of novels and biography books published by publisher P? Okay, novel, biography. Novel 360, biography 440. 360, 440. Number of novels and biography. And they given here average price of novel is more than the average price of a biography by 40%. If it is 100%, then novel is 140%. The ratio is how much we need to calculate. 27 times, 25 times, 4 11s are 4 9s are 63 is to 55. 63 is to 55. First option. Number of biography books published by publisher are. Biography publisher are 200 books. Is what percentage of the total number of biography books published by all the given publishers together? All the given publishers 440 plus 160, 600, 200, 800, 800, 320, 1120, 1120, 240, 1360, 1360, 440, 1800 plus 400, 2200. 1 by 11 means 9 1 by 11%. 9 1 by 11%. If the number of novels published by publisher S is increased by 15% and the number of fiction books published by the same publisher increased by 25%, then what will be the difference between the number of novels and fiction books published by publisher S? Publisher S novels are 640, increased by 15%. 10% 64, 5% 32, then 15% means 96 increases. 96 increases. 640 plus 96, 736. And fiction books are increased by 25%. Fiction books are 480. Increased by 25% means one fourth increases, one fourth of 480, 120 increases. Total became 600. Difference among these two 136. Next, caselet. Study the following information carefully to answer the given questions. The findings of a survey of private hospitals are as follows. A total of 1200 patients admitted were considered for the survey. Total number of patients are 1200. Out of which 45% were suffering from cardiac diseases, 30% were suffering from kidney problems, and the remaining were admitted due to various common issues. 45% were suffering from cardiac diseases. So, cardiac diseases. 45% means 50% minus 5%. 50% 600 minus 60 means 540. Cardiac diseases. 30% were suffering from kidney problems. 30% means 360. Kidney problems are 360. So 540 plus 360 means 900. And remaining were admitted due to various common issues. Remaining 300 were various common issues. Next. Out of those suffering from cardiac diseases, out of 540, 20% had no issues in meeting the expenditure. 20% had no issues in meeting the expenditure. 20% means 108 had no issue in meeting the expenditure. No issue. Out of which one third were rich and had an insurance policy, and the remaining had an insurance policy. Out of this 108, 36 were rich. One third means 36 were rich, and the remaining 72 members have an insurance policy. Of the remaining 80% suffering from cardiac diseases. Out of 540, already 108 is over. So remaining 432. In that 432, 3/4 could manage half of the expenditure on their own, and the remaining was met through the monetary help received from some of the trust. 3/4. 1/4 value 108, 3 times means 324 members. 324 members can manage half of their own. So remaining from trust. Rest of the patients suffering from cardiac diseases required complete monetary help from the trust. So remaining is 108, complete from trust, only from trust. That is cardiac diseases. Next. Out of those suffering from kidney problems, 360, 25% had no issues. 25% means 90 members had no issues. Out of which one third were rich and the remaining had an insurance policy. In this 90, one third means 30 were rich and the remaining 60 members had an insurance policy. Of the remaining 75%, out of 360, already 90 is over, remaining 270. Out of 270, 40% could manage half of the expenditure on their own. Out of 270, 40% means 108. Could manage half of the expenditure and the remaining from trust. Rest of the patients suffering from kidney problems required complete monetary help from various issues. Complete monetary help. So remaining 60%, 162 members, complete help from trust. That is kidney problems. Next. Out of those suffering from various common issues, 300 members, 44% could bear the expenditure. 44% means 132 could bear the expenditure. Out of which 2/3 are insured and the remaining are rich. 2/3 are insured means 1/3 are rich. 44 members are rich, remaining 88 have an insurance policy. Next. While rest of the patients could manage by getting partial help from those hospital trust by getting the treatment at concessional rates. Out of 300, 132 is over. So remaining at concessional rates means 50. Remaining means 300 minus 132. 260. 168 members at concessional rates. At concession. That's the given data. Then look at the questions here. Out of the total number of patients who are able to meet the total expenses, what percentage are insured? So total expenses here 108, here 90, here 132. So 108 plus 132 together 240, 240 plus 90, 240 plus 90, 330. Total 330 people could manage the complete expenditure. How many people are insured? 72, 60, 88 have an insurance policy. 88 plus 72, 160, 160 plus 60, 220 have an insurance policy. So 220 by 330 means 2 third, 11 2s, 11 3s, 66, 2 by 3%. What percentage of total number of patients suffering from cardiac diseases need help from trust to meet half of the expenditure? Cardiac diseases, total number of patients are 540. Out of 540, 324 members need trust help to meet half of the expenditure. 324 is what percent of 540? 324 is what percent of 540? 0, 0, 9 6 are 54, 9 3 are 27, 9 6 are 54, 60%. Total how many patients are able to meet full expenses being rich? Rich kids are 36, 30, 44. 44, 36, 80, 80 plus 30, 110 is your answer. How many patients suffering from kidney problems need full monetary help? Kidney problem total 360. Out of 360, complete monetary help 162. So 162 is what percent of 360? Sir, only how many patients only, not percentage. So how many patients means 162 patients need complete help. What is the ratio between patients suffering from cardiac diseases requiring 50% help and the patients suffering from kidney problems requiring either half or full help respectively? Cardiac diseases 50% help, 50% help 324 members. And patients suffering from kidney problems requiring either half or full help respectively. Half 108, full help 162. 108 plus 162 means 270. 930 times 9 3s are 27, 9 6s are 54, 6 6s are 6 5s are 6 is to 5 is your answer. Next, 132. A certain sum of money is invested for 8 years in scheme A, which offers a simple interest at a rate of 13.5% per annum. The amount received after 8 years is then invested in scheme B for 2 years, which offers a compound interest compounded annually at a rate of 10% per annum. If the amount received from scheme B after 2 years is 13,590.72, what was the sum of money invested in scheme A? Suppose if in scheme A principal is 100%, per 1 year 13.5%, then per 8 years, 8 13s are 104, 8.5 means 4 times, 108% is the interest. Total amount obtained from scheme A 208%. Total amount obtained from scheme A 208%. This 208% is again invested in scheme B for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum. That is on compound interest basis. For 1 year 10% means 2 years 21% is the interest. Amount is 121%. Amount is 121% of 208% value. They given as 13,590.72. Asked to calculate 100% is how much? 11 times 11 ones are 11, 25, 11 twos are 39, 11 threes are 60, 11 fives are 57, 11 fives are 11 twos are. Again 11 one times 11 ones are 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 threes are 11 twos are 112.32. 13 ones are 13 six are 13 eights are 104, remaining 83. 13 6 are 78, remaining 52. 13 fours are 4 times 4 twos are 4 ones are 4 6 are 2.16. 4% value 216. 4 ones are 454s are 1% value 54, then 100% value 5,400 is the principal invested in scheme A. 5,400. Next 133. Study the following table carefully to answer the questions. Population abstract of country A, all the numbers are in thousands. States F, G, H, J, K, L, total population among those 0 to 6 years, literates below poverty line. Out of the total population in the age group of 0 to 6 years of age, 40% are girls, and out of the total number of girls, 50% are school going. How many girls in this age group are not school going? Out of the total population in the age group of 0 to 6 years, we need to add all these values. 0 to 6 years. 0, 2 plus 5, 7, 15, 17, 20, 26, 5, 9, 12, 15, 17, 21, 2,160. In that 2,160, 40% are girls. 40% are girls. 4 6 are 24, 2 4, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 864. In this half members are not school going, 432,000. 4,32,000 are not school going. What percentage of the total population for states J, K, L together? J, K, L total population. 3,000, 7,000, 10,000, 600, 400,000, 11,000, 80 plus 72, 152. 11,152 is the total population. Is below poverty line. JKL below poverty line. 40, 60, 100 plus 54, 154 into 100. 1% value 111.52. 1% value 111.52. In that 0.5% means half of 1%. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are. Then 1.5% value 1 2 7 167.28, but I just require 154 only. Our answer is below 1.5%. Below 1.5 means second option 1.38 is there, and fifth of only second option is there below 1.5. Answer is second option. What percentage of total population from states G and J together illiterate? G, J, 22, 34, 56, 5,600. In that illiterate, out of 22, 1,800 are literate, illiterate are 400. Out of 3,400, 3,200 are literate, illiterates are 200. Total 600 is what percent of 5,600? 2 3s are 228s are 4 sevens are 425s are 75 by 7, 10, 5 by 7. 10, 5 by 7. Next. If the gender ratio of female to male of state K among the total population is 950 by 1000, and that for state L among the total population is 920 by 1000, what is the total number of men from these two states together? State K 950 plus 1000, 1950 parts. Out of 1950 parts, females are men are 1000 parts. State K total 4680. Next, state L total 3072. In that ratio given female to male 920 by 1000. Total 1920 parts. In that 1920, men's are 1000 parts. 1000 by 1920 times of 3072. Total how much we need to find? 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 gets not 0 0 gets cancelled. 192 16 times 3 2 114 plus 3 117 11 7 16 plus 11 3 2 16 9s 144 plus 3 147 s 3072 exactly 16 times. Then 195 means 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, remaining 45, 5 9s are 5 200 times. 39 1s are 39, remaining 78 mean 2 times. 2400, this one 1600. Total number of men's are 4000. What percentage of the total population from states E of GH together is in the age group of 0 to 6 years? E of GH 46 22 68 10,800 plus 150 10,950 is in the age group of 0 to 6 years. FGH 420 380 800 plus 250 1050. As 10% value 1095, we need to subtract 45. 1% value 109. So not even 1% also we can subtract. So 9.68, 9.68 or 9.59. Two options might be. So 10% value 1095. We need to subtract 45. We need to subtract 0.1% value 10.95. Then 0.4% means 20383 43.8. So completely 0.4% we can subtract. So approximately 9.59 is your answer. 9.59. Next. What is the difference between total literate population from state FHL and total illiterate population from these three states? FHL. FHL. Out of 46, literates are 4400. Then illiterates are 200. Difference between literates and illiterates is 4200. H. Out of 4150, 3800 are literates. Illiterates are 350. Then difference is 3450. K. Out of 4680, literates are 4000. Then illiterates are 680. Difference is 3320. 10,970 is your answer. FHL, we did K here. FHL we need to calculate. Out of 3072, 2700 are literate. So remaining 372 are illiterate. Then difference between literates and illiterate 2328. 8, 7, 9, 9978. 9978 is your answer. Next. There is a circular lawn which has a tiled circular track outside it all along the periphery. This is circular lawn. Outside it, circular track along the periphery. The diameter of the outer circular track is 84. Outer circular track diameter 84 means radius 42. The circumference of the circular lawn, inner circular lawn, is 1/3 of the circumference of the outer track. Circumference of inner circle is 1/3 of the circumference of outer track. Pi get cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So inner circle radius is 1/3 of outer circle radius. Outer circle radius is 42. In that 1/3 means 14. So inner circle radius is 14. Next. If the cost of mowing is 28 rupees per square meter, what is the cost of mowing the circular lawn? Circular lawn means inner circle. So mowing means area of the circle pi r square at the rate of 28 rupees per meter square. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 28. 7 4s are 28. 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24. 4 2s are 8. Answer ends with 8. Two options are there. First option and fourth option. In these two options, go for 11 multiple. 8 plus 3 plus 1. 12. 4 plus 9. 13. First option not your answer. Fourth option is your answer. Quadratic equations. 21s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Minus 4 minus 5 will give us minus 9. Finally, plus 4 plus 5. 18 2s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Minus 9 minus 4 will give us minus 13. Finally, plus 9 plus 4. 9 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. 9 by 2 and then 2. Less than, greater than, no relation is your answer. 3 10s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Minus 6 minus 5 will give us minus 11. Finally, plus 6 plus 5. 6 by 3 means 2. 5 by 3. 8 15s are 120. 12 10s are 120. Minus 12 minus 10 will give us minus 22. Finally, plus 12 plus 10. 12 by 8 means 4 3s are 4 2s are. 10 by 8 means 2 5s are 2 4s are. 3 by 2, 5 by 4. Greater than, greater than, greater than, greater than. X greater than Y is your answer. Next. 35 means 7 5s are 35. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. Finally, minus 7 minus 5. 4 3s are 12. Plus 4 plus 3 will give us plus 7. Finally, minus 4 minus 3. Less than, less than, less than, less than. X less than Y is your answer. 27 2s are 54. 9 6s are 54. Plus 9 plus 6 will give us plus 15. Finally, minus 9 minus 6. No need of denominator. Why? Because both coefficients are same. So, no need of considering the denominator. 39 2s are 78. 13 6s are 78. 13 plus 6 19. Finally, minus 13 minus 6. No need of write down denominator here. Why? Because both are same. Greater than, less than, no relation is your answer. Approximations. 1887 divided by 37 into 12 minus 24 square 576. 24 square means 576. 37 5s are 185. Again 37 ones are 612 minus 576. 24 plus 12, 36 is your answer. Three 9 times, 5 times, 8 3 times, 3 times, 5 3s are 15, 15 ones are 15, remaining 89, 15 6s are 90, approximately 16 times. Square root of 1225 means 35, 196 means 14, minus 4% of 400 means 16, minus 16, plus 14 minus 16 means minus 2, 35 minus 2 means 33 will come. 36 square, 36 into 36, 9 square means 9 into 9 into 14 minus 169. 9 4s are 9 4s are 4 4s are 16, 16 14s are 224 minus 169, 31 plus 24 55. 514 minus 480. 514 514 minus 480 means 34. Square means 34 into 34 divided by 19 plus 23 42. 221 times 217 times 217 times 17 4 ja 68 68 51 plus 6 578 by 21. 21 2 ja 42 158 21 7 times, approximately 21 6 times. 26 is your answer. Next, a trader offered 50% discount on the market price of an article and charged 15% sales tax on the selling price. If he still earned a profit of 25% on the price that he paid for the article, by what percent is the cost price lesser than the market price? Let's imagine market price is 100 rupees. He given a discount of 50% means selling price 50 rupees plus there is a sales tax of 15% means 7.5. Selling price is 57.5. By selling at 57.5 there is a profit of 25%. Means selling price 125% is equal to 57.5. Cost price is by default 100%. 25 times 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 5s are 4 times means 46 is cost price. MRP 100, cost price is 46. How much percent lesser than the market price? Percentage less means difference by more value. Difference 54 by 100 into 100. 54% less is your answer. Fifth option is your answer. Thank you.